Danke bafethu, so ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoBongani Zungu. So uBongani Zungu umdlali wase-South Africa, udlala i-middle fielder, is one of the most important South African footballers mina engike ngambona, yabona, in terms of i-talent. Ingakho ngithi important because bekane-special talent uZungu ngempela, yabo. Uma ubheka i-talent lakhe ngabe limbeke noma ngabe kukuphi emhlabeni if yena bekafuna. So uZungu uvela kulona ku-University of Pretoria meqala ukubonwa, but uvela kakhulu because udlala a year or so ku-Pretoria University. Uya kuMamelodi Sundowns. kuMamelodi Sundowns udlala 3 years, but kuMamelodi Sundowns ila avela khona kakhulu ukuthi super talented, and then makuMamelodi Sundowns kula baqala umselector khona for iBafana Bafana from 2013 to 2021 adlala kuBafana Bafana on and off, yabo. Bongani Zungu in terms of talent is one of the greatest midfielders mina I've seen. Ngikhumbula iBafana Bafana idlala neBrazil. iBrazil ishaya iBafana Bafana 5-0, bafaka uZungu already score 5-0, but guess what into ayenza mengena egroundini wastabilize midfield. Leyo bakalibamba ngakhona ibhola azama ukuhlanganisa amajita, bowubona ukuthi akabasabi ngempela, yabo. Akathuki, unesibindi, is highly competitive, nanokuthi is driven, yabo. In terms of talent, yabona umuntu mezale nayo into angeke vele uyithathe noma kuthiwani, yabo. But asiye ku-career kaZungu ukuthi uZungu kufike kanjani ukuthi aye overseas, because udlale nako-Europe, udlale eFrance, udlale kuma-countries nje different lapha. So udlale eFrance, ePortugal, wadlala eScotland, yabo. Wadlalela-ke neBafana Bafana. So usuka kuMamelodi Sundowns uya ePortugal, wadlalela enye team abathi Victoria, and then nakhona udlalile ama-matches a few, azange ahlale futhi isikhathi esiningi khona. Uhlale a year kuphela, just one season kuphela, wasayina i-team yase-France ngemali engcono. Nakhona eFrance wafika wadlala isikhathi iminyaka-ke eFrance, kula eFrance abonakale khona kangcono ukuthi okay nangu kuZungu, and then waya kuphi, wamuvela eFrance, wadlala ku-French League, adlala nabo PSG, adlala nabo Monaco, nama-teams nje equally good. And mese Portugal sikhumbule into important ukuthi beyadlala noRafinha. uRafinha uma umbheka namhlanje ukuthi ukuphi in terms of ibhola, bebadlala ethimini eyodwa yena noZungu, labantu laba bawu-2. But-ke la avela khona kakhulu useFrance. EFrance-ke kwaba ney'nkinga or kanjani, but maningi bebangafuni ukumreleasa eFrance noma babefuna imali eningi. Angikhumbula ukuthi kwakwenzakalani ngoZungu, and then waya eScottish, yabo, eScotland, ukujoyinani iRangers. iRangers bokuyi-one of the biggest teams vele, in fact it's still one of the biggest teams ase-Scotland, because awu-2 ama-team abhigi laphana, iRangers neCeltics. Udlalela cabanga one of the big team yase-Scotland, udlalile ukudlala, but hey, inkinga-ke waba nenkinga kuZungu lapha yokuthi i-behavior yakhe, yabona i-behavior outside the field of play izokukhawatha mfethu, uma unganayo i-discipline izokulimaza ngempela. uZungu wayeya nakuma-Instagram abe nama-live axoxe ngey'ndaba ekungamelanga axoxe ngazo, like ezi-personal between i-team ne-coach, maybe ne-management yakhe, yabona izinto ezinjalo. But into last straw of the dies lana bagive upha khona kuye, wahamba waya eklapini, ahamba nama-players we-under 19 kuyophuza utshwala ebusuku, yabo. Kanti-ke lapha ama-discipline whatever bayithatha serious ngempela, abadlali akudlalwa lapha, yabo. Thathwa serious, kumele ube discipline ngempela uma ufuna ukuqhubeka udlalela i-team yabo. Ngathi bamhambisa same time kula bamreleasa khona-ke after ile team yakhe bamthengisela iMamelodi Sundowns back, yabo. Thengisela iMamelodi Sundowns back, then he came back to South Africa. kuMamelodi Sundowns-ke akahlala ngesikhathi esiningi mebuya ku-return yakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns, udlala ama-match I think not even 30 games, behlele ebhentshini isikhathi esiningi, sometimes ungamboni. Udlale around I think plus minus 25 games lapho kuMamelodi Sundowns, but akusiya ama-games amaningi. Manje sedlalela amaZulu. But into engifuna ukuyisho ngoBongani Zungu, mina uBongani Zungu could have been world class. Le player leli bekumele kube one of the greatest South African midfielders of all times, but angicabanga ukuthi ube rich too fast, ibhola lakhe, impilo lakhe change too fast, and then warelaxa, bekangasekho hungry njenga before. But if uZungu beka hungry ngempela, hayi ngicabanga uZungu asibonanga lutho bafethu, asibonanga lutho. Alowa muntu lo talented, yabo. If beka hungry and then abe highly competitive, kuyeke lezi zinto ukuthi umjolo nama-celebrity nina zibe khona, but azi ukuthi into engiphilisayo ibhola and I'm gonna give everything that I have to ibhola. Lokho esikubonile, uZungu akasinikanga na i-potential yakhe, akasinikanga no 50%, not even i-half. Lokho esikubonile sibona okuncane kabi. Lo muntu lo super talented, star player, superstar, but-ke waduma kakhulu, nanokuthi waba nemali eningi too much. Yabo sometimes ukuba nezinto fast too much kuyakubulala wena. Yes, kutshentsha impilo yakho but in terms of sport, but kuya ngawe as iplayer ukuthi ufuna iconic ukuthi abantu bakukhumbule kanjani. But uZungu sonke siyomkhumbula ngoba usuper talented, but mina ngisasho ukuthi asibonanga lutho kuZungu bafowethu, asibonanga nix. Lo muntu lona i-superstar. But-ke sithembe kumaZulu uyambona even namanje usabonisa ama-glimpse ukuthi uGoody is highly talented, but-ke ku-peak yakhe if waziphatha kahle boma-Europe because befuna nama-teams wase-Spain bowamfuna mfethu lo muntu lo yabo. So yeah, Zungu could have been world class. Danko.